Right, so back in the UK, having to work for a living, I wanted to get these chandelier that Cal bought for the hallway cleaned up. So why not do it while I'm over here, my lunch break. So I just thought I'd show you the difference. So at the moment I'm using a mixture of ammonia like I did with the chandelier in the salon. It's I think about 4 parts of water, 1 of ammonia, and it really does lift off the patina that you can see there. So there's it really is, well, it's disgusting. It's just years and years of dirt, etc. And slowly, with Cal's toothbrush, I'm able to slowly get most of it off. And then afterwards I use Barkeeper's Friend, which I used on all the other chandeliers, and that works really well. I use the liquid only. They do a powder, I believe, and a cream, but the liquid I find much better, it penetrates better in there. And then hopefully we can get that back looking reasonably. It will never look absolutely new because it's so difficult to get all of it out of it, but I think it will look stunning once it's finished. So hopefully I can get that done, get all the metalwork done that I brought over, then get it back. And if Carol manages to get the gold pins in and sorts out all the cups, etc., perhaps I might even be able to put it all back together when I'm back over next week. Well, we're getting there. That's made a bit of a difference. You see it's now looking nice and golden. That is what I used to spray to get in there. And then unfortunately it's just a lot of elbow grease, but slowly we're getting there. I think we can get a little bit more out and then I'll have a go. I'm really excited actually to have a go at the stem to really bring out that detail. So these are the cup holders that just screw in top of the glass fixings, and the quickest way I found of cleaning this out was just bringing in my drill and just put the wire brush in there, and can't be doing with holding it all day long, so I just literally just wired up a clamp, just enough to just turn over. It's not painful at all. It's just enough abrasion there just to literally take off those. And as you can see now, they're coming up quite clean. As you see, it slowly takes off the rust.
This morning I've been removing all the pins, the old rusty ones from the crystals. And you can see, perfect drainer, that they're all cleaned up, all sparkling in the sunshine. And once dried, all ready to be repinned. These are the ones that go on the arms. I'll show you the size of them. So there's that one, and then a smaller one hangs off of it like that. So that'll be my job later on.
So Carol and I just thought we'd just pop back to our local garden centre, and oh my word, I can't believe Christmas is all over us. We haven't even done Halloween yet, and yet as soon as I walk in, all I can see is Santa. Gets earlier and earlier, I swear, each year. She's on a hunt. Daffodil bulbs.
Right.
What? I was just saying, look, as soon as you walk in, it's Christmas. What's going on? And then you're looking at summer plants.
That's summer, the spring.
Oh, that shows what I know.
We want all white?
All white? I thought they're yellow.
Not in my land.
Where are these going anyhow?
Oh, look. In the planters.
In our garden, okay. Well, just leaving the UK on our way back to France now. But can you Adam and Eve it? I mean, look at this weather. It's, I think it's about 21 degrees. So the beginning of October, this is just insane. I don't know what the weather's doing at the moment, but insane. So looking forward to getting back. I believe it's something like 25 degrees back at home. What a difference it makes when the sun is out. Oh, and behind me, famous Spinnaker Tower at Gunwolf. Well, we're back. Thank goodness for that. That was a long journey back. Unfortunately, we got the late ferry. So we normally get back here about 12:30 at night. Unfortunately, literally 20 minutes from the Chateau, actually on the main road in, they had to shut the road for 2 hours. So it meant we didn't actually get in till about 2:30, I think it was this morning. Anyhow, we're up. A list of jobs to do. Main one, get the grass cut, as always. We seem to, because of this lovely warm weather we're having around Europe, we have a lot of flies at the moment. And unfortunately, some are actually in the Chateau, which is a real pain. So hoover out, get rid of all those. Then I need to get on and get the gate finished. That needs finishing, painting the black that we'd missed before we left last week. Then I need to do the chandelier, see if I can get a lot of that put back together. The game is actually try and get it completely finished because it's all cleaned up, apart from the arms, which I'll do shortly. And then we can get it up in the hallway, but might be up against it on that one. That's my list for today. Carol, I'm not sure, but at the moment she's just going to go and treat herself and go around and relax and see the hairdresser. So good for her. So Carol's blessed me with me painting, but you call me a monkey.
There's usually people trying to get in saying, let me in, and we want to have a look around. But let me out, I've had enough.
What do you want me to do?
Right, I'm going to delegate. I need you to paint so that I can carry on with these.
The gold bars.
There's not much paint left because we knew we'd run out. Could you paint these bits here?
Yep.
Only a little, about an inch because we're going to run out. And
Yep.
then the bits around here. Basically so that I can get these gold bits done.
As it's such a gorgeous day again.
Yeah.
Okay, is it not too hot for painting?
Just think yourself lucky you're out in the sunshine.
You know what, most of the paint will end up on me. I don't know about other people, but when I paint, I wear more than what goes on the wall actually, so.
So do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think I can get the
gold.
gist. I'm just going to enjoy the sunshine.
I'll book it down now.
Yeah, I'm not stopping video until I see you get down. Keep going. I was half expecting you to jump.
There you go.
Well done. Okay, next time use a ladder. Well, unfortunately, we run out of time this weekend. We're just going to do a few tweaks now, aren't we, darling? So, as you can see there, well, you can see, look, that's how bad they are. They're swiveling, look, they're all loose and anything. I've checked the wiring, so I'm more than happy with that now. So what we'll do is we'll just tighten these all up, get the spacing right, and try and clean it. Rather than, if I take the arms off to actually put them in a bath to dip, etc., I'm going to have to take all the wiring out. And that seems a bit silly when we could probably bring them up to a nice gold. While I'm on here, or should I say, I'll let you do that.
While you watch Grand Prix.
Shh, don't tell everyone.
Come on then. We need 2 people to do this.
We do, so you need to hold it. This is where you having a spirit level eye works. Here's the spanner.
Come on.
You spanner. Well, now that Carol's cleaned it, the arms, she's done a really nice job on that. Let's see if we can get some of the components back on. Hopefully, I can see a shine. If I remember how it goes. I look at this and all I think of is the World Cup football. There's a name for it, I can't think of it at the moment. But yes, that's what it looks like, the trophy. Just making sure that I've got the plate in the middle before clamping it down. time-consuming bit will be to rewire all these cables back into the fittings for the bulbs. That will take a while. Yes, already that's looking good. So unfortunately we can't do it this weekend, which we're really hoping. I just thought I'd give you a quick look of how it's going to eventually start to look. But when we're back here next time, I'll make this my first job. That's much better now the lawn's cut. What a difference that's made. And Carol on her hands and knees in a decent pair of shorts though this time. Oh, they look a bit sorry. What happened to runner beans?
The wind's got the runner beans.
Typical.
And while we were away about a month ago and snapped a lot of them, which is why they're dying. But look, there's still enough.
For dinner tonight, right?
Maybe not tonight. But no, look.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to them. They look,
And here, look.
Oh, okay.
But it's not all gone to waste.
No, it hasn't.
About 3-4 dinners there.
Plus my potatoes I'm about to dig up, so yeah.
The onions are doing marvellously, considering they were put in so late. I've
Okay.
put all the weeding along the walls. I've left the weeds for you to clear up. I've left you one weed particular though.
One weed, that poison one.
No,
Okay, good.
because I've got holes in my gloves. I've left you all the stink.
Oh, look. I've brought you up some gloves. I brought you up some gloves.
Don't fit me.
They're not holy gloves.
The-
Oh, nice try. The cue, which looked like they need water. Oh, what happened to that one? Ding dong.
There's a couple like that. I
Okay.
think the cucumbers are definitely over, and they're nothing like they were last year.
I get this feeling my dinner is just going to be green. Anything else you want to? Have we got green rhubarb you could add to it?
So the melons, absolute disaster while we were away. Sent somebody in to do the gardening.
They didn't do it then, did they?
Oh, I can't even pick it up. The melons got attacked. We've had 2 off of there.
Oh,
But
that's
look,
a shame. Hungry little, yeah, blighters.
the melons got attacked. So out of the, I don't know, 12 that there were,
Right.
we had 2.
That'll teach us to go away, won't it? Oh
Yeah,
dear.
that's the trouble. It's all very well having a vegetable garden, potager, but it needs looking after constantly.
We're not having one in England then.
Might have a little herb on the kitchen table.
Our garden's not big enough. Actually, our garden is the equivalent of what you've got there with your runner beans, that little 3-metre square. So we've got onions tonight. We've got whatever those silly whatever peas or whatever they are. Runner beans, okay. And a cucumber that looks like it needs to go back to the hospital. Well, if anyone lives over this way, we do have, well, we have 2, 3, I think, chestnut trees, of which is everywhere. I've never seen so many chestnuts. We had a lot last year actually, but they are everywhere and we're never going to get around to picking them up. Which is a shame. I might have to take some back actually. Keep Val happy. She can put them on the fire or in the cooker. Last year we would have had them on the fire in the salon, but I think that's just going to be a Saturday night treat now. Or you can hear them dropping constantly all the time now. When we're sat out having coffee on the front, you can just hear bang, bang as they're coming down. So anyone want any chestnuts? Well, it looks like we've got potatoes tonight.
Potatoes, runner beans, shepherd's pie.
Did you use that? Who is it the other day I was speaking? It was Beth. Beth said she didn't know what to make for dinner. She got all the ingredients, so she put it in the AI app that now tells you everything. I mean, everyone uses it nowadays. Doesn't matter what for. It'll tell you what to make for dinner with your ingredients. I bet it doesn't tell you how to how to repair a fork. Who did that?
We'll mention no people.
No, I won't mention his name, Terry. But
Oh,
did I say his name? I'm sorry, Terry. I'll say it again.
Yeah, I'm just sifting through this just in case there's any more potatoes. There's a
potato.
whole 2 rows there, but we can't eat that many.
Okay.
Rhubarb.
Yeah, I don't understand. It's not red, but our friend Matt took a piece, didn't he? And he said it was lovely. So clearly, and it's green, so we're gonna add that tonight.
All the grapes are ready.
They're green. We'll have them tonight.
They're not red. They're not green. They're red.
They're red, but they're not ready then.
But they're purple. Ow.
Oh my word!
Look, come this way. I'll show
I can't believe how much fun you can have up here.
Look at this lovely bunch. Look.
I am looking at these lovely bunch.
Look.
So I'm going to get a bucket and you can go tread in them.
This is quite good actually because they had more sun. So they got finished first. These were in the shade, which means now these are ready. So we didn't have a whole massive
Yes.
amount at once. I left the bottom ones for the birds. But yeah, look at them.
And what are you going to do with them?
I don't like grapes really.
No, exactly. That's what I was wondering.
I was just making sure they're ready.
Hello everybody, this is my baby sister, Zara.
Is it Zara?
Yeah.
Do you love her?
Yeah.
Hey Zach, I think she's doing a poo.
Not on me, no, not on me.